Looking for the best way to secure your home or business? You're about to discover the best touch keypad for your security and peace of mind. The BACKR electronic access control solution is ideal if you're interested in a high-security door lock for both indoor and outdoor applications. The new BACKR keyless door lock features an easy-to-use touchscreen offering 4 unlock alternatives. The system uses US anti-copy security cards to give you exclusive access to your property. The new digital security lock uses biometric sensors to allow fingerprint unlocking as well. You can also enter a preset access code, and an emergency key is also available as a last resort. Contact us at headwashington.com for more info.